Hello, MarineMax Charter Vacation guests. This is Captain Dave on the Aquila 44, and today we'll be going through how to clean out the air conditioning strainer in case you have diminished water flow or a blockage. Here I will be closing the ball valve located in our port engine compartment with our wrench provided in the toolkit, loosening up the top of the strainer. By hand, I will open our cap, removing our basket. And here I will be dumping out the debris. Once we are clean and I've cleared any other lodged debris out of the intake hose, I will put our strainer back into place. Opening my ball valve up slightly to allow a little water flow to confirm the clog is gone. My cap back on by hand. Then I take my wrench and a nice little snug. That is cleaning out the air conditioning strainer basket on an Aquila 44.